Hello, lovely people. It is Thanksgiving week. And it's an especially complex holiday this year because many people love and enjoy the celebration as an anchor of connection, family, sharing, and it's also a painful historical representation and present reminder for Indigenous people and groups, and all of that further strained by the heaviness of COVID. So I want to take a moment and appreciate the yes and here. The yes, we can love being with people, connecting, cooking, trying new recipes, sharing, and that we know this holiday is explicitly harmful. So one of my personal reframes for this year, one of the things that's working for me with COVID is that we're navigating a time of unparalleled deconstruction of social norms. Social norms being the things that you do because you do them, because everyone's doing them. And with that, we have the opportunity to rewrite the rules of our lives based more on what we believe, what we crave, and what's aligned with our personal core values. So, with that, we hope to push this further into the space of gratitude and do a couple different things this year in terms of rewriting the rules of our Thanksgiving as a family. First, we're going to explore and practice appreciation for the rich history and rich cultural contributions of Indigenous people as a family. And second, we're going to practice gratitude for our partners, our children, and friends and family at a distance. Sometimes with gratitude, it can be hard to know where to start or how to mix it up. A simple thank you can just feel a little flat. So we've included a playful Mad Lib, something that really gets us all into the practice of gratitude into a specific and new way. We want to stop showing appreciation for what people do for us and rather start celebrating and showing appreciation for the beauty and loveliness of simply who a person is, the unique them qualities that they bring to the world generally, and that we are lucky enough to enjoy in our world with them. So check it out, try it out, enjoy some playful gratitude with attitude, and have a great week.